Seriously, you can protect your gadget from falls and scratches by using a gel case or a screen protector, but there's really no easy way to protect it from water damage. That actually has to be built into the device. The thing is, up until now, really good ingress protection has been mostly reserved for flagship phones, the really expensive ones. So if you own a budget device, then chances are you're gonna have to replace it the moment it gets wet. Now, Honor is trying to change that with the Honor X7c, and we thoroughly tested this device. We took it beyond the 3 minute and 8 centimeter limit that they are supposedly comfortable enough to advertise. And not only did we use this under the pouring rain, we completely submerged it and used soap. We used it for hours shooting our splash test video. And this would normally destroy an IP64 device. I mean, we know this because we actually tested some supposedly IP64 devices. Although we were able to get really good clips, days later, the phone's dead. With the Honor X7c, it actually went above and beyond what we expected from an IP64 device. We expected this to die after what we did to it, and it clearly survived. So how much is this going to cost? Based on its predecessor, the Honor X7c, we expect this to fall somewhere around the 8 to 10,000 peso price range. We could be wrong, but hopefully it's going to be that affordable. And if it does end up being priced around that range, then isn't that really good value for money for a durable phone? In the meantime, if you want to know more about the Honor X7c, why don't you check out our water test over at youtube.com, search for Tech Kuya, and we'll see you guys there. Paalam!
Habang naliligo.